Guys, we here at Filmy Colada always tell it like it is. We don't sugarcoat stuff. We are not afraid of putting our unpopular and contrarian opinions out there. After days and days of thinking it through, we have finally come to a conclusion that you won't hear anywhere else on the internet. An opinion so wild and unhinged that most of your weak and feeble minds won't be able to handle it even. Are you ready? Guys, Alpha is the best comedy movie of the year. There, I said it. Now, when I say leave your brain at home type comedy movie, you may think of movies like Welcome to the Jungle, one that we just reviewed last week. Please check that episode out. But don't just take my word when I say that Alpha is the funniest movie of the year. No, wait. We have a famous movie reviewer who has been trying to get on the show, and he's calling me as we speak right now. Wait for it.
So hi everyone, I'm Rajiv Masand on Filmy Colada.
What?
The only FC that truly matters.
Wow.
Let me just say, I just saw Alpha.
Wow.
What a fantastic movie. Alia destroyed and overshadowed everyone. Okay Karan, I did what you asked. Can I please get my salary now?
Wow, dude.
Oh,
Nice. So cool.
and one more thing.
What a nice guy.
Welcome to Pop Conversation. The phone is in the hand of Antariksh Thakkar,
Wow.
who is joined by...
स्नेह लेने जा
Abbas you said it first.
Wow, guys. We are going places, yeah? Oh, Rajiv Masand called in. Oh, thanks, Rajiv.
You didn't
That's
even
so...
say bye to him. Yeah?
No, he's still on call. He's still on call. Yeah.
Bye Rajiv.
Hi,
No,
Rajiv.
he's still there. He's still
Oh,
there.
he still wants to say more.
Rajiv, before we say bye, anything else you want to add, man?
Yes, I love you guys.
Oh,
you are
no.
the best Bollywood YouTubers out there.
Oh.
To the entire audience tuning in, please like and subscribe to the channel.
Thanks, man.
One more
Thanks,
thing,
Rajiv.
guys.
Oh.
When will we see more membership perks?
कुछ भी बोलता रहा है राजीव
It's all going so well, Rajiv.
इट्स लाइक तुमने स्पाई यूनिवर्स में वॉर 2 बना दिया यार
क्या करते हो यार राजीव यार? But
Wow,
thank you so
that was
much,
so
guys.
sweet, yeah.
Of all the people.
yeah,
you
very
know,
sweet, very sweet.
He called into the wrong FC, I think, at first, and then he was like, "I'll make it work. I'll make it work."
Yeah.
But he knew our names. And
Improv.
Yeah, dude.
Improv.
Then he researched and all, you know.
Yeah,
So sweet. What a nice guy.
I swear.
Yeah.
I
Next week,
agree.
who knows? Maybe Amitabh Bachchan calls or something.
Yeah,
you know, you never know.
Probably, yeah.
Anything can happen. Anything
What
can
a
happen.
leap from
Yeah, dude.
Jamie to Rajiv to Amitabh.
That's how we roll, bro. Jamie to Pulkit.
Oh, yeah.
Amitabh
Pulkit in
to all the
between.
way to
उसके
Rajiv
अगले
Masand, man.
एपिसोड पे साक्षात दिलीप कुमार साहब
Yeah, yeah. Hey, next week we might even get Alia Bhatt herself talking
Yeah,
about
yeah,
the
true.
movie Alpha, man.
She
What a
needs
thing. What a thing. What a thing. All right, guys, welcome to the show. What a fun beginning. Who knew? This
Yeah,
would
who
happen.
knew?
Yeah.
Nobody
Who
knew.
knew?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, of course.
थोड़ी राजीव की आवाज सुनी लग रही थी but phone पे you can
Oh,
you know,
हो सकता है,
Yeah.
हो
Sorry,
सकता है।
because we've heard yours
Yeah,
from
we heard
Rajiv
so
Masand,
much,
dude.
yeah,
Of
yeah,
course.
yeah.
हो सकता है
about?
बीमार भी हो ना शायद अभी मौसम चेंज चल रहा है
Probably,
Yeah, थोड़ा
आवाज-
जुकाम
हाँ,
yeah,
of
हो
course.
जाता है, हो
Yeah,
जाता है, हो जाता है, हो जाता है.
I agree.
Welcome, guys. We have a lot to talk about on this episode. Alpha, what best, funniest movie ever, of course.
शुरू करो अग्नि परीक्षा
We have to talk about all the controversy around Diljit's latest movie, Satluj.
सतलुज
Which, please, go ahead and watch on piracy. That's what he
Wow.
said.
okay.
भाई दिलजीत ने खुद
I
बोल दिया
know.
Yeah, go
He's
ahead,
like,
do it,
कहीं
man.
से भी देख लो
You've not done it? What are you, a Diljit hater, dude? What is this
he's
thing?
like देखो मैं तो चाहूंगा कि आप Z5 पे देखो क्योंकि प्रोड्यूसरों का पैसा लगा है पर मेरा काम हो गया है देखो
Yeah.
मैं चाहता था कि मूवी सब तक पहुंचे जसवंत सिंह कालरा जी की बात सब तक पहुंचे वो पहुंच
Yeah.
गई है और जब तक नहीं अगर अब आपका काम है अब
Yeah.
आपकी फिल्म है
Correct, bro.
अब आप डाउनलोड करके देखो
ऐसे नहीं
Right.
बोलते लाइक गो वॉच हिंट देना चाहिए गो वॉच
कहीं पे भी।
टॉरेंशियल रेंज यू कैन फाइंड ऑन
Oh,
or
nice, huh?
if you have
No,
seen
watch in
Pirates of
torrents.
the Caribbean
I just say it only,
if
dude.
you have seen Pirates of the Caribbean you know you can
Yeah, there's another
be a
website.
Jack Sparrow.
See, if you're a big fan of Pirates of the Caribbean, go to a website called thepiratebay.com. You'll figure it out.
No,
You'll
they
figure it
won't
out.
take the episode down no if we say this
Dude, what? Diljit का अकाउंट नीचे गया क्या?
अबे दिलजीत कुछ भी करके
दिलजीत ने लेकिन पायरेसी वर्ड थोड़ी उसकी
हाँ और वो दिलजीत
हम
है
भी का पायरेसी तो थोड़ा बोल रहे हैं हम तो पायरेट्स
दो तीन
we
website
can't
दे
even
दिया
we can't even indulge that piracy exists and the world in the world.
it does
So then
so
we-
does
we are not
murder
the
and
one-
thievery
We are not the ones who are necessarily doing the piracy.
of course
Yeah, we are
Let's
just
say,
consuming it. No,
by the way ये like even in the larger world
Yeah.
PlayStation has announced that they are going to stop manufacturing physical CDs.
भाई बेसिकली
of
दे
their
आर लाइक
games.
अभी तो मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई दे आर लाइक कि हमारे पास ना अब दुनिया में डिजिटल स्पेस कम बचा है, स्टोरेज कम बचा है, तो अब आप ज्यादा पैसा दो क्योंकि डिजिटल स्टोरेज खरीदना महंगा। अबे जब चुपचाप तेरा मेमोरी कार्ड चल रहा था, चलने देता ना उसको भाई, काहे जबरदस्ती हर चीज क्लाउड पे डाला तू।
वही हाँ करेक्ट एंड नाउ दे नीड मोर प्रोसेसिंग पावर
हाँ, अब
एंड
उसके
बिकॉज़
लिए
रैम शॉर्टेज
50 हजार रुपए बढ़ा दिए भाई पर प्रोडक्ट एप्पल ने तो।
Have you seen how expensive phones are getting?
Of course,
This-
भाई
it's ridiculous.
18 Pro Max apparently is rumored to be around 1.86 lakhs. भाई 2.25 लाख रुपए का
दो लाख के भी फोन आने वाले हैं सर जस्ट अराउंड
मतलब अभी भी आ ही रहे हैं,
Just
लाइक
around the
1
corner.
TB एंड ऑल दीज तो वो 2 लाख प्लस ही हैं।
क्या आईफोन?
हाँ
ओए माँ की आंख व्हाई डू पीपल बाय
भाई
आईफोन्स?
आई थिंक मैं अभी इनसे यही बात कर रहा था कि वो वक्त वो समय दूर नहीं है वेयर एवरीवन विल गो बैक टू फकिंग द नोकिया 3310 ऑफ द वर्ल्ड भाई, because there is see abhi now they've already started the Instagram Plus. They have so the era of free social media is over. ठीक है, they started with the like purchase the fucking blue tick 50 रुपए में 60 रुपए में ब्लू टिक मिल रहा था। ठीक है, अब इन लोग ने Instagram Plus या Meta Plus चालू कर दिया है। ठीक है, नाउ क्रेड का जो बंदा था आई थिंक कुणाल, उसको उन्होंने व्हाट्सएप का सीईओ बना दिया है। सो ग्लोबल अब उसके अंदर उसने व्हाट्सएप पे यूजर नेम्स चालू कर दिए हैं। नाउ दिस विल इवेंचुअली गो अप टू कि आप इतना पैसा दो फॉर अनलिमिटेड मैसेजिंग, जो यूजुअल जो हम लोग पहले करते थे दिन के 100 मैसेज जाने। मुझ आई कैन फुल्ली सी दैट द व्हाट्सएप प्लस इज ऑल्सो कम। आई थिंक ऑलरेडी देव अनाउंस उसके अंदर एक्स्ट्रा पर्क्स होंगे, ये होगा वो होगा। इवेंचुअली वो टियर लिस्ट में भाई वी आर लिविंग इन अ ब्लैक मिरर एपिसोड। इट्स जस्ट like a matter of time where everything
it's called enshittification, no? when a service becomes
shit.
worse, and they charge you money for it.
Dude, but do you guys do you know this, right, that piracy is back in a big way?
Of course, क्योंकि हर चीज तो तुम 500 600 रुपए के पर मंथ सब्सक्रिप्शन पर डाल दोगे।
Dude, there are multiple
ये
ऐड आ रहा है भाई प्राइम पे, उसमें भी
plus on Indian Amazon Prime they've censored episode of The Boys. Okay. And I don't know if you know this, on Netflix there was a WWE match between Seth Rollins and cage match in which Braun Breaker's head got busted open, so he was bleeding. They blurred his face.
What?
In the what do you call repeat अगर तुम देखोगे
in WWE?
Yeah, they blurred his face.
उनको क्या लग रहा था? उनको लग रहा है असली में खून निकल रहा है भाई, केचप है वो।
What is this, man?
So Seth Rollins is fighting with a man with a blurred face.
भाई जापानीज पॉन चला दी भाई।
Dude, in the last few months I've seen so many videos that are talking about why piracy at this point is the more ethical thing to do.
And bhai,
Is it?
one of
I don't know, you tell me
our
more.
things that we are discussing,
Yeah.
that is the way to preserve the movie, because the
Dude,
official
again,
channel has
what
taken
a
the
world
money
we're living
on
in.
Anurag Kashyap very outrightly says that his career is because of piracy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like
again,
उसकी फिल्म जो
Black
बैन हुई,
Friday, no
ब्लैक
smoking.
फ्राइडे, ये सब जो बैन हुई लोगों ने पायरेसी से देखी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई
वो
अनुराग
बात
कश्यप
अलग है कि
Kashyap.
अब भी रिलीज होती है तो लोग पायरेसी करके देखते हैं। निशांची कोई घंटा देखने गया थिएटर में,
Yeah, but
लेकिन
I didn't watch it, but I heard it's pretty nice, right?
yeah, the people who downloaded
It is
were
what
saying
is.
it was nice.
People who took the effort of downloading
Yeah,
the
they
film.
were like हाँ अच्छी है, yeah.
Dude, and
यार वही है ना, आप देखो ना, 15 पहले आपने जो सब्सक्रिप्शन थे वो 500 रुपए से स्टार्ट हुए,
exactly, yeah.
1000 हो गए, 1500 हो गए, अब 1500 में भी तुम कह रहे हो कि हम हर 15 मिनट में हम 3 मिनट का ऐड देंगे। भाई मैं सूर्यवंशी ना देख लूं भाई, सूर्यवंशम देख लेता हूं सेट मैक्स पे भाई, कम से कम वो खीर खा के मर तो रहा है।
Bro, मैं अल्फा में भी तो ऐड थी, किसका ऐड था अभी?
चिंग्स
Chinese.
चाइनीज।
I haven't seen, but I heard that the movie is full of
Wow,
product
surprise.
placement.
Nobody's surprised. Yeah.
Abbas hasn't seen the film.
Yet another
Yeah,
movie.
I was curious,
that
but
one.
then when the reviews came and it was like it's not that great, फिर मेरा क्या interest ही चला
Yeah,
गया,
but
like,
we knew
what?
that it wouldn't be that great.
But it's still not even that great. I don't
Man,
know. I haven't seen it.
I तो didn't like it.
मतलब मुझे
at all.
ऐसा, so again, very honestly,
You loved it.
No.
didn't you?
not at all.
He's still like best movie of
No,
the year.
not at all. Best movie of the year actually मैं वापस आऊंगा, and सतलुज surprisingly first half में जो दोनों पिक्चरें मुझे लग रहा है could be the film of the
What
year
is this
would
Sardar-
be
Sardar bias?
दिलजीत।
Diljit, what is this Sardar bias?
would be दिलजीत। हालांकि मुझे पसंद नहीं आया दिलजीत ने जो एक दो चीजें करी अपने
In
Instagram
Satluj?
live
अच्छा,
पे।
Instagram. हाँ. We should talk about that
वो
also
तो मुझे
later.
Yeah, all
बिल्कुल
that coming up.
how are you doing these films and then
Saying that, हाँ.
saying these things, but anyway,
I think he's just choosing his battles, which is
Yeah,
fair,
that's
like
so
fair
bad.
again. But
क्योंकि मैं
ठीक
वही
है।
सोच रहा था, एक तो वो उसकी फिल्म जो आई थी इसमें एक पाकिस्तानी एक्ट्रेस थी, उस टाइम पे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की वजह से वो हो गया. Then this guy,
And he was right. He was genuine. He's like, जब मैंने फिल्म शूट करी
तब इतना
तब ऐसा
नहीं,
कुछ तब
कुछ
बैन
नहीं,
भी नहीं था.
हाँ.
तुम उस ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद तुम पाकिस्तान के साथ मैच खेल रहे हो, पाकिस्तान ने तुम्हारे साथ मैच खेलने से मना कर दिया है, तुमने उनको थ्रेटन किया कि तुम्हें मैच खेलना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो तुम्हें इतना फाइन देना पड़ेगा. एंड देन अब जब मैं पिक्चर की बात कर रहा हूँ तो तुम कह रहे हो बैन कर दो.
Ridiculous word.
फिर वो है,
yeah.
then I like I mentioned that this one guy with a Khalistani flag went
Yeah.
on stage. So
At
I
a Diljit
think-
concert,
At a
that's
Diljit
what-
concert.
yeah.
So I think he just
No, but then he was brought down by the security and all.
हाँ, of course. I'm not saying Diljit.
हाँ,
flagged
हाँ,
him.
We should
exactly.
be- there are plenty of people who would not
और वो
have seen
बहुत
it. We should
बड़ी
mention
डील है
that.
कि हाँ वो स्टेज तक भी
Stage तक पहुंच गया with the
वो
flag, yeah,
काफी
and
डेंजरस
dancing,
चीज है. So maybe he's just being cautious, but then you're right. When you're also saying कि watch a film like Punjab 95 or Satluj.
And then don't ban these films. So
Then don't
that
ban
is what
these
the
films, yeah,
battle
yeah,
was, right?
yeah, yeah.
When you say जसवंत सिंह कालरा जी अमर रहे, जसवंत सिंह कालरा जी का जो बैटल है वो ongoing रहना चाहिए. तो मतलब
I have a query though. So
yeah.
the events that are depicted in the movie, jumping all over the place a little bit. लेकिन उस वक्त तो यार कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट थी ना.
Again, we're talking about Satluj.
Yeah, Satluj.
हाँ, we actually
So
had to
then
start
why
with
does
Alpha. But
why
anyway.
does the current government have a problem with that? I don't know.
शायद ये राज भी उन्हीं के साथ.
जानने के लिए देखिए सतलुज कहाँ.
देखना
हमें नहीं पता.
हमें नहीं पता, हमें कोई idea नहीं है.
Also, another show that we have to get to talking about is
Pritham and
Pedro.
Pedro.
PNP. Again, a lot to get to on this episode. Let's get started, guys. Alpha. Yeah. What do you think? What do you guys
Beta.
think? What do you think, man, Snail? Did it live up to expectations? Did you love Hrithik's cameo? Oh my god. Did
हाँ,
you
मेरे को लगा कि ये
jizz in
ऋतिक
your
का picture
pants?
में इसका तो ऋतिक को देखकर ही खड़ा हो जाता है तो ये
हाँ,
तो,
बस.
अरे ऋतिक ऑलरेडी 3 स्टार.
So very honestly, भाई ऋतिक looking dapper as fuck.
Bro,
I agree.
but that was so pointless, the whole
वो
thing.
इतना pointless था.
Yeah, dude.
वो cameo बहुत pointless था. वो आर्क बहुत पॉइंटलेस था
Dude.
कि कबीर अचानक जो तुमने असैसिन दिखाया वो किसी पहाड़ में जाके अपना वो मंडाला बना रहा है एंड शांत हो गया है, उसमें बैठा है.
Not just that. The whole part of them trekking and all, climbing mountains to reach him.
हाँ.
For what?
For what?
He didn't even help them with anything.
उसने बताया ना कि नहीं, so the thing नहीं so the reason why they had to go there was कि that was their safe house, but apparently
वहां पे भी निंजास आ गए.
क्योंकि
Indian
हाँ
ninjas आ
क्योंकि
गए
वो
वहाँ पे.
क्योंकि उन्होंने वहां पे उसको जिनसे वो लड़ रहे थे उन्होंने बॉडी कैम में देख लिया कि वो वहां पर है या नहीं उससे अनिल कपूर. अरे
Exactly, bro. Dude, also I love.
नहीं
Okay.
बताने का
I
मेरे को.
forgot how much technology is advanced in
Also,
this.
I love
swear.
that. I love that. You know, all these Bobby Deol sent all these Indian ninjas to battle all these Sharvari and Alia at the monastery that Hrithik is at. Okay, he's wearing that monk robe that you've seen in the
trailer.
in the trailer teaser, whatever. Okay, so they send all these Indian ninjas, dude. But they always forget, dude, our Indian bad guys, they can have guns. जरूरी नहीं है कि जाके चाकू से मारने की कोशिश करो. अगर मोनेस्ट्री में वेपन लेके जा ही रहे हो.
उनका ट्रेनिंग वैसा हुआ ना भाई, आप कैसे
Oh, my bad. I didn't get it.
कैसे बात कर रहे हो?
Sorry. It was a comedy.
आप
I
कैसे
forgot.
बात कर रहे
I'm
हो?
applying my brains. I'm the idiot. I am the idiot. Dude,
So you hated the movie.
I really despised it. Dude, the number
पहले
one problem I had.
थोड़ा सा प्लॉट बता देते हैं ना पहले.
So, yeah, okay, chal. Plot is easy enough. Okay, there is after the Kargil war.
स्पॉइलर है आप पिक्चर
Yeah, full
में
spoiler, full spoilers.
एक ही ट्विस्ट है एंड में, वो हम स्पॉइल कर देंगे.
और एंड में भी नहीं है वो ट्विस्ट. Like
मतलब
the
एंड से
main
थोड़ा सा
twist-
पहले दैट्स द स्टार्ट ऑफ द
Yeah.
क्लाइमैक्स नो.
Anyway,
बट एनीवे हाँ.
So anyway, so the basically mota plot is that after the Kargil war, okay, while looking at all the slain Indian jawans and soldiers जो शहीद हो गए हैं, while looking at their caskets, okay, Bobby Deol and Anil Deol.
Anil Deol. Anil Deol.
Bobby Deol and
That was the
Anil.
twist.
Bobby and Anil, okay, they're in discussion. How do we avoid something like this in the future? And they come up with, we're gonna start something called the Alpha program. What is the Alpha program? Bobby Deol,
Super soldier serum.
basically, yes, the Alpha serum.
Yeah.
Also, firstly, I'm so sick. The entire movie, all they did was just, just throw Hollywood coded concepts
And action
and
sequences.
action sequences
Yeah.
into our faces. Okay, like all this Alpha serum and Odyssey, Project Odyssey. Oh my god, what the fuck, dude? Like, कुछ original कर लो यार.
that is led by Tom Holland. The Odyssey project.
Yeah.
अभी वडाला में उसका screening है.
Nolan is the
mastermind
director for Vampire Spywars.
Yeah. Matt Damon का cameo होता है. Alpha में क्या मजा आता है.
Alpha 2 is basically Odyssey जो भी आता है.
So as part of Project Odyssey, no, Project Odyssey is complete. Okay, so Project Alpha, okay, they made the Alpha serum, okay, and so they have this serum thing, which is like a super soldier serum that if you put into soldiers, they get, they're supposed to get mild regenerative healing. So like अगर टूटा उटा bone as a छोटा सा bullet wound,
तो वो जल्दी heal हो जाएगा.
जल्दी heal हो जाएगा. Okay,
आपकी
you
healing
get
power
great hearing. You get hearing. You're like you can jump higher,
Mutant
run
हो जाते हो
faster.
आप.
You know that kind of shit. But all they use the entire movie, mein, they keep showing that all these guys, all the serum does to you is gives you decent hearing at best. Okay, because the only time someone can hear the other person
Is them.
is when they're like cocking the gun or something. I'm like, anyone can hear with that. You don't have to show.
नहीं but वो दूर से कर रहे थे ना भाई.
Go, they're in the same room, dude. In the same room. It's insane. You gotta watch this. And they forget about all the other things the Alpha Serum can do, like regenerative. For instance, there's a part in the movie where Sharvari gets shot in the shoulder. Firstly, no hero has in history of Bollywood has backed out of a climax fight because they got shot in the shoulder, in the arm.
But
Never
she's not Alia.
That's
She's
what,
not Alia.
dude, what I'm saying, that was the dumbest reason to leave Sharvari behind. Give me another reason. Show me
She's
a
not
broken,
Alia.
show me both a broken legs or something.
She's
dude.
not Alia. That
Yeah, Alia couldn't have used that help in the beginning, at the end of the movie.
Bro, because she's climax अगर आलिया नहीं लीड करेगी तो कौन करेगा मुझे
Bro,
बताओ.
so again, so many problems, okay? Because immediately they introduce Alia and immediately discount her own skills and powers because they introduce Sharvari also, who turns out, spoiler alert, twin. Okay.
अरे तो भाई पहले प्लॉट बता दो आप.
Sorry.
Before you go, I have a question.
Yeah.
So this Alpha serum heals your bones and helps
Slightly.
you in
Yeah.
hearing.
Agar shot to the head, shot to the
So
head.
why aren't they using it on like grandparents whose bones are weak and hearing is less?
Because they don't want to make them into super soldiers.
Yeah, but
no?
then it will increase their better.
अरे भाई
healing
ये
power.
ऐसा सिप्ला ने नहीं बनाया है.
तो बना लो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करो.
आर्मी ने सोल्जर
भैया एक कॉम्बी फ्लैग और एक अल्फा सीरम दे रहा है
For your दादी.
हाँ ठीक है. वहां से फ्रेंच डाइपर ले रहा है, यहाँ से बेंच अल्फा सीरम लेके घर जा रहा है. दादी पहले ये नीचे लगाओ ये ऊपर लगाओ. कैसी बातें कर रहा है भाई. तो बेसिकली वो एक अल्फा सीरम बनाते हैं और ये कमिटी
कौन
बैठाते
बनाता है?
हैं. बॉबी देओल और
Bobby
अनिल
Deol and
कपूर.
his
So
Alpha
they are
serum.
scientists or?
उनके पास एक साइंटिस्ट है. दे हेड द कमिटी. ठीक है. देयर लाइक अल्फा सीरम बनाओ और वो अपने
वर्गीज is the something
तो अब
something
उनके
वर्गीज.
पास बेसिकली 1 साल का टेस्टिंग
Scientist.
फेज होता है. बट बॉबी कहता है भाई 6 महीने में डाल दो इनकी माँ की. ठीक है. तो ये डाल देता है और वो सब सही चलने लग जाते हैं. तो उसको अब यहाँ पे पैरेलल प्लॉट अनिल कपूर का चल रहा है कि उसकी बीवी का जो है दिया मिर्जा, उसका हार्ट उतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है कि वो बच्चे पैदा कर पाए.
But she's pregnant.
हाँ, मतलब वो तो वो बेसिकली रीजन ये देते हैं कि while feed like nurturing the baby inside your body needs to work 2x of what they usually do, and your heart is and her heart is not
Again,
that
give her
strong.
alpha.
तो that's exactly what he does. वो उसको
Yeah,
alpha दे देता है
What do you,
चुरा
Anil
के.
Kapoor,
अच्छा तो
bro?
बच्ची फिर
तो
सुपर
बच्ची
पावर
के अंदर सुपर पावर आता है. बट यहाँ पे अब
But
जैसे ही
Diya
वो
dies.
हाँ बट दिया डाइज बिकॉज दे
Spoiler alert,
रियलाइज
yeah.
कि अल्फा सीरम को क्योंकि उसने 6 महीने में स्टार्ट कर दिया था.
One can say दिया बुझ जाता है.
वाह.
ठीक है. तो क्योंकि
दिया
मना किया था ना.
मर्जा.
पहले मरीज फिर मर जा.
Sorry.
ठीक है. तो बेसिकली अब वो बॉबी को
This daughter is Sharvari. Will grow up
रुको
to be
ना.
Sharvari. अच्छा sorry.
ठीक है. तो अब बॉबी कहता है, अब जाके देखता है कि सीरम के साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं और वो ऐसे हैं कि वो ब्रेन पे इफेक्ट करते हैं और वो सीधा बंदा हेमरेज से मर जाता है. ठीक है. तो अब वो अनिल को रियलाइज होता है कि फक ये तो मैं सबसे छुपा के दिया को दे
Like
चुका
मैंने
हूँ.
unproven,
ड्रग
untested
जो है
drug
वो
मैंने अपने
मैं
बाइक को
दिया
दे
को
दिया.
दे दिया. तो अब वो जाके दिया को देखता है तो
दिया
वो
को दे
दिया बुझ चुका है अब. ठीक है.
हाँ, तो she's dying. Okay, or she's dead, but she
पैदा कर देती है
बच्ची को.
बॉबी को पता चल जाता है.
हाँ, Bobby says now your daughter who has just been born, she has been empowered by Alpha Serum. Now Alpha Serum is property of the country, so now your daughter is property of the country.
हाँ ठीक
Fair
है. बट
tracks,
अब
yes.
बट अब ये बात डॉक्टर सुन लेती है.
हाँ.
तो वो एक बच्ची छुपा लेती है और एक बच्ची दे देती
अच्छा
है.
जुड़वा पैदा हुआ.
जुड़वा पैदा हुए थे बट नॉट आइडेंटिकल क्योंकि दो आलिया नहीं है ना हमारे पास.
Correct.
Why do you think they could have gotten Alia to play double?
अरे उससे एक नहीं प्ले हो रहा है. अब तो दूसरा और
Bro,
प्ले करा
this
दो.
movie is laden with just horrible acting
ठीक है.
throughout.
तो एनीवे अब उसके बाद आलिया को वो बड़ा कर रहा है
बॉबी देओल।
बॉबी देओल, और शर्वरी को इसने
अनिल कपूर।
मड्रिड भेज दिया है अनिल कपूर
Because
ने
he's like, the world can
यहाँ
never know
रखो,
I have an
I
actual
have
daughter
another
or still
daughter.
alive because she's the property of the country, no? So he sent her away.
ठीक है
Send her to another country.
Property of that country now.
yeah of course ठीक है अब यहाँ पे
But
parallel
she
tracks
also has superpowers.
या क्योंकि
Yeah.
same blood
She's,
no bro
turns out
got
she's a
it.
mega athlete in the meantime.
Okay, got it.
she does everything
Every athlete.
sport बोलो
Volleyball.
she does it
Running.
she champion
Olympics champion.
Olympics champion
Yeah,
she
yeah.
also is
Olympics
Manu
cha-
Prabhakar
Yeah,
Oh, अच्छा.
Manu Prabhakar Manu Bhaskar
someone.
Manu.
The shooter.
हाँ
That was Bindra, no? Abhinav Bindra.
अब औरत की बात कर ये देख
मेरे को सिर्फ अभिनव
मनु
बिंद्रा
भाकर है
पता
शायद आई
sorry.
थिंक बट एनीवे
Yeah.
अगर गलत होगा तो कमेंट में
Hey,
ठीक है।
we'll put the corrected name here somewhere.
बट एनीवे ठीक है तो वो सब मतलब सब कर ले रही है और
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
साथ में वो पार्कोर भी है वो
Parkour.
पार्कोर ठीक है उसका वो भी चल रहा है अलग से तो अब बेसिकली आलिया भट्ट इज ऑन द रिवेंज मिशन कि भाई मैं अब बॉबी को मार दूंगी ठीक है
So the movies, we are introduced with her already have gone rogue.
ऑलरेडी किलिंग मतलब
She's
भाई
already gone
मारे ही
rogue.
जा रही है वो
And then we find out
Okay.
why she's gone rogue.
एंड
over
द
the
रीजन
course
व्हाई
of
शी इज
movie.
गॉन रोग इज कि बॉबी देओल का जो अल्टीरियर मोटिव था वो ये था कि मैं अल्फा में एक्चुअल में ब्रेन पे इफेक्ट करता है ना वो वो कह रहा है कि मैं इसका खून तो हमारे पास है ही है बट मैं इसके ब्रेन का सैंपल भी निकाल के
Because that is the purest
That
version
is-
of alpha
हाँ.
serum, which will work for everyone. That is
Okay.
the best version.
तो उन दोनों को मिक्स करके मैं एक अल्फा सीरम बनाऊंगा जो सबके लिए चल पाएगा क्योंकि हमारे अभी तक के सारे टेस्ट फेल हो गए
Yeah. So when Alia finds this out, she's like, "Fuck that, dude.
कि भाई तू मेरे
I'm
को ही
against
मारना
Bobby
चाह
now."
रहा था।
Yeah, yeah. Now fuck that. I'm back.
But why would he do that?
Because
वो
he wants to make multiple super soldiers.
मल्टीपल सुपर सोल्जर्स
And
Okay.
and the purest form exists in her brain. But if they extract that, she'll be like a vegetable for the rest of her life.
So she's supposed to be 18 years old in this movie.
No,
right?
no,
नो वो बस एक सीन के लिए था
Yeah, yeah.
So, but then why doesn't he do it earlier?
Oh, because they find out that the most pure version is later in the
लेटर वो उसके मल्टीपल टेस्ट फेल होने के बाद उनको रियलाइज होता है कि फक इसके दिमाग से क्यों नहीं निकाला हमने दिमाग इसका
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
वो ऐसा सीन है
So then so the rest of the movie is this, okay? A big problem that I had with the movie. So now the rest of the movie is
अब उसको
her
बताने की
fighting
जरूरत नहीं है
back.
अब बेसिकली
Yeah.
आलिया ढूंढते ढूंढते आ रही है अनिल कपूर को क्यों ढूंढ रही है क्योंकि ही वाज पार्ट ऑफ द अल्फा प्रोजेक्ट अनिल कपूर को मिलती है तो अनिल कपूर को सब सच बता देता है फिर वो कहती है
तुम्हारी बहन भी
अच्छा
है।
हाँ कि तेरी बहन
Also
है ये वो
that
है
whole thing, dude. They kept revealing all this information, dude. So you would think this is the course of the movie, right? Like, oh, at some point later in the movie, she will understand. Oh, Anil is the father. There'll be a heart-to-heart moment. Sharvi is a heart-to-heart moment. Oh, Bobby just grew her, groomed her or raised her to extract all this serum, so and for her to do his bidding or whatever. Okay, all this is revealed in the first 20 minutes of the movie.
नो दिस इज द
Or
इंटरवल
30,
पॉइंट
dude, barely, not interval point. In
अबे
the first,
इस सीन पे इंटरवल होता है
कौन सी सीन पे?
कौन सी मूवी अल्फा
नहीं कौन से सीन पे?
इसी सीन पे जब वो सबको
तुम्हारी बहन है।
बता देती है और
कि
बताने
अनिल
के
और शर्वरी को at that
थ्री ऑफ
house.
देम व्हेन कम टुगेदर उसी पे तो इंटरवल है
Bro, yeah, see, but also what I'm saying is they should have stretched if this is the main conflict.
Yeah, I was like, are
Okay,
they playing a
why didn't they
shortened
stretch
version?
it later in the movie? Bobby sees Anil after yours. First thing he tells him is, for no reason, tells him, oh, by the way, that daughter you had, who I gave you a stillborn baby instead to say that was your daughter who died at birth, she's alive and this is her. Shows him footage of Alia killing all Indian soldiers and all. Okay, dude, there was no point in doing that. Why did you tell
मतलब
him?
हाँ like the story jumps from
It
one
jumps
place to another
and it speeds too fast, and then second half of the movie is just dumb fucking stupid action.
for sure
Yeah, they should have stretched it. Stretch it.
मतलब as in the action set pieces are good
Dude, there's one decent action set piece. The Sharvari and Alia fight in the house.
नहीं I think जो climax वाला action है that's the worst part
Yeah,
that's the
bad.
worst action
But even the
sequence
Hrithik one is not good at all,
यार
dude.
action set piece तो ठीक ही है
Bro,
वो
no, man. What are you saying, dude? We've seen better. And
In what?
dude, like, see, initially
कहाँ मतलब in like आप हॉलीवुड स्टैंडर्ड से मत कंपेयर करो इसको
Hollywood standard नहीं चल. Even if you talk about Pathan, okay?
भाई पठान में कौन सा हैंड टू हैंड कॉम्बैट था जो अच्छा था
the Salman Khan cameo on the train. There's a lot of hand-to-hand combat,
अरे भाई-
especially with Shah Rukh, and that scene just works better as a flow.
भाई अब ये
as a
दैट्स
thing.
बिकॉज़ शाहरुख एंड सलमान आप ऐसा मेल बायस लोगे तो फिर नहीं हो पाएगा ठीक है
ओ भाई ये क्या बात है? ये तो
पठान मैंने भी
मूवी
देखा
मूवी
है।
मस्त है, मूवी मस्त है.
पठान
क्या बोलूंगा मैं?
में काफी shady CGI.
बहुत हाँ exactly.
But this is not that much better.
See,
bro.
again, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि मूवी अच्छी है, मूवी खराब है, मूवी
बकवास
गंदी
है,
है,
yeah.
ठीक है. I see again, like coming to the movie, अब यही है मोटा मोटी प्लॉट. और अब the coming to the movie, first half of the film is better than the second half of the
What
film.
happens in the second half?
Second half में basically now Bobby Deol is like कि मेरे को ये चाहिए, आलिया भट्ट चाहिए, and now these three are like fighting against बॉबी देओल. इवेंचुअली एंड में पता चलता है कि बॉबी देओल जो था वो पाकिस्तानी सोल्जर था जिसने इन्फिल्ट्रेट कर दिया था इंडियन आर्मी को, और इंडियन आर्मी पिछले 20 साल से पहचान नहीं पा रही थी इसको. इतनी इनकॉम्पिटेंट तो नहीं है इंडियन आर्मी भाई.
What do you think a bigger
Why
surprise?
was he using Haryanvi accent?
बिकॉज ही एंटर्ड इन इंडिया थ्रू हरियाणा, एंड उसको पहला जो बंदा मिला वो बंदा जो था राजस्थान से आया था, नहीं कहाँ से आया था, उसको पहला बंदा जो मिला वो हरियाणवी फैमिली से था, तो ही पिक्ड अप द एक्सेंट in the village, and that's why he speaks broken Haryanvi.
Okay.
Bro, I have a question for the audience.
And he says कि and he says कि 26/11 पहला मौका नहीं था जब हम पानी से आए थे.
Yeah. Wow.
अच्छा.
Wow.
पानी से.
मतलब
पानी.
everyone's saying,
पानी से
everyone's pointing out कि this is the reverse of Rakesh Bedi's character
From Dhurandhar.
from
Yeah,
Dhurandhar.
from Dhurandhar.
We're going to say.
एक मैंने meme देखा, this is Pakistan's reply to Dhurandhar.
Dude, I want to ask the audience, what do you think a bigger surprise is? That the villain of Alpha turned out to be Pakistani, or that Abbas hasn't seen the movie? What's the bigger surprise? Right? Let us know. Sorry, that didn't land. Cut that out.
No, keep it in.
Correct. Okay, continue, man. What is the plot, dude?
But genuinely, I think so. Again, music घटिया था.
Horrible.
घटिया, बहुत घटिया.
There is a reason, dude, that has never happened from a YRF movie. They didn't even put the music out
Bro,
there
so
before
that's
the movie.
so I'll tell you. I think
Music rights.
no, fuck music rights. But what I feel is after Dhurandhar, no, the film took a 360-degree turn. Is what I feel. मुझे नहीं लगता ये this is the draft that they had planned कि अल्फा की तरह
Man,
बनाएंगे.
I want to see how bad the original was. Then,
So
dude, if this is what
मुझे
they're
ऐसा, so I think the end का जो twist है that was very unnecessary. पाकिस्तानी एजेंट बनाने की जरूरत नहीं थी. He could
Yeah,
very
he
well.
was already on the way of being a
वो पहले ऑलरेडी ही विलन था. जब वो रोग हो गया कि तुमने
Exactly. There's no
मेरा
evil
अल्फा
role.
प्रोग्राम बंद कर दिया, तो आई विल नाउ शो द कंट्री की मेरा अल्फा प्रोग्राम क्या कर सकता था.
The
दैट
second-
इटसेल्फ इज अ गुड विलन आर्क. बट आई थिंक दे एडेड द पाकिस्तानी एंगल पोस्ट धुरंधर कि भाई we will also like try to pull that string कि भाई हमने एंड में पाकिस्तान को मार दिया types.
Dude, but the thing is, the second they do the Pakistan reveal,
I am
You start
instantly
thinking-
out of the film.
to that, and you immediately start thinking, "Okay, what? So our Indian agencies are just
Exactly.
dumb?
मैं
Are just
यही सोच
stupid?"
रहा, मैंने कहा भाई वो ये बता रहा है कि मैं पाकिस्तानी एजेंट था और मैं इतने साल यहाँ रहा, मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया, मैं ब्रिक कर्नल बन गया. मैंने कहा भाई
Yeah, भाई, क्या जिंदगी है ये?
This is just a way to show the
Yeah.
Indian army
And-
armed forces to
and
be
he's,
dumb.
and he during the Kargil war also he fought on our side. He's killing his Pakistani.
हाँ भाई.
I'm like, तो ठीक है फिर तो ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
And then he goes, ऐसे ही थोड़ी हमले होते गए इंडिया पे और किसी ने
जॉनी लीवर, मैं तो आप की तरफ.
कसम से.
ये कैसा मेरी तो आपका नमक.
So again, like so मुझे movie again as I said 1 star खराब नहीं लगी.
How
One
much
and a
would you?
half,
How would you
one and a
give?
half, one and a half.
2.5, 3.
2-ish, yes.
Oh, no, you get 1,000 rupees now. Any more now, dude?
भाई I think मतलब so like the people saying कि half a star 1 star भी deserve नहीं करती, हॉल के बीच में से उठ के निकल जाओ, उतनी खराब नहीं लगी मुझे. Very
Fair.
honestly.
That's चल ठीक है.
हाँ, but again I'm in no way defending the film कि भाई फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है. बहुत ही half cooked story है.
It speeds through, no
doesn't
emotion
land.
at all.
आप
When
किसी के लिए
Sharwari
emotional
finds
feel
out
नहीं
her
करते.
sister is still alive. Okay, firstly, Sita, Alia's
and
name is
Durga.
Sita. Okay? And why she's named Sita is, Bobby
क्योंकि
says,
मम्मी का नाम
इसकी मम्मी
जानकी
का नाम जानकी था, तो इसका नाम सीता. That makes no sense. Janki and Sita are literally the same
Same.
name, the same
Pakistani
person.
dude knows so much mythology.
So that
He did, it turns out.
So apparently इसका भी उन्होंने reason दिया है कि उसके past के montage में trying to fit into the Indian society,
He's
in the
reading
bus he's
everything.
reading Ramayana.
Is it? Is that what it was? I
आपने
forgot.
देख ही नहीं दिया,
I-
तभी तो वो
Dude,
करने लगी.
I kept fuming as to how dumb the movie is. I can't help it. And what was Sharwari's name? Also like something like this.
Durga.
only. Durga.
Geeta, no, just pay homage. Sita Geeta.
That's true. Why didn't they do that? Do double role. That was right there. Why didn't they do that? You're absolutely right.
Should have just
Man.
made Sita Gita.
That would have been so
Is
much
there
easier.
any post-credit sequence, any connection?
Of
to
course not,
previous?
bhai. This is the closure of
This chapter of the Wire
this
Affair.
Wire
So then
Affair.
I was thinking that then post Pathan, which was supposed to be like this big arrival of the YRF,
It's all got down.
essentially, yeah, it was like a death knell for the rest of the. Uske baad
Bhai, the thing
Tiger
is,
3
They can't have lived this can't live to that hype.
Tiger 3 पठान से पहले आई थी.
नहीं नहीं
बाबा,
Tiger 3
पठान
came
के बाद
after
आई
bro.
थी,
That
दिवाली,
was इसलिए शाहरुख का cameo था उसमें by
हाँ,
extension.
exactly.
Oh हाँ, fuck हाँ, sorry. Yes.
Tiger 3 didn't do well. Then War 2 was bad.
Horrible.
Now
Oh, War
Alpha
2
is also
War
bad.
2 or Alpha?
Alpha.
By how much percent more?
5%.
Exactly. Yeah, I agree. I agree. That's fair. That's fair. Totally fair. That's fair. Yeah.
Again,
that's because-
see, I'll tell you again. Both the films had potential, and I'll tell you
Tiger
War
and
2.
War 2.
No, War 2 and Alpha.
Alpha, okay.
And I'll tell you how. War 2 में अगर ये लोग जबरदस्ती जूनियर एनटीआर को ना डाल के अगर ये लोग चुपचाप ऋतिक का वो ग्रे एंटी हीरो वाला साइड एक्सप्लोर करते, दैट वुड हैव बीन अ ग्रेट सीक्वल टू वॉर. क्योंकि जो तुमने टाइगर 3 के एंड में दिखाया था दैट ही इज गॉन फकिंग क्रेजी और वो पूरा स्वॉर्ड फाइट कर रहा है और ये सब हो रहा है, दैट वुड हैव बीन अ क्रेजी एंगल. एंड इन दिस वन ऑल्सो हैड दे एक्सप्लोर्ड हाउ लाइक आलियाज जर्नी की वो कैसे एक गिनी पिग वाली जिंदगी जी के एक ह्यूमन सोल्जर बनने के बाद उसका जर्नी दिखाते इंस्टेड ऑफ कि अरे इसकी जुड़वा बहन है, इसका ये है, इसका वो है.
Correct.
अगेन
Exactly.
जस्ट कंप्लीटिंग द पॉइंट, अगर आपने ऐसा एक सुपर सोल्जर वाला इंडियन फिल्म देखना है, सो देयर इज दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड
Johnny
अटैक. देयर इज दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड अटैक
Yeah.
Part 1, Chapter 1, whatever. John Abraham, I think one of the most underrated films. John Abraham, I know, is not the most famous for great acting, but he's playing a fucking soldier, like a Captain America, where he just have to have this.
He's like the
ठीक है.
what do you call it? The $30 million man or something like what was that? The old
Cyborg sort of a
like
situation है उसका.
Robocop in a way.
हाँ, तो वो वैसा उसने वो फिल्म बनाई है.
$1 billion man.
The $1 billion man. Sorry, the $1 billion
तो
man.
बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है. If like Alpha is not even 10% of what that film was. वो एक्चुअली एक ट्रिलॉजी की तरह अनाउंस हुई थी, बट द फिल्म डिड सो बैड दैट आई डोंट थिंक दे हैड द मनी टू मेक मोर पार्ट्स, जस्ट लाइक अल्फा इवेंचुअली विल बी.
So I remember when the first teaser was dropped of Alpha, they did not feature Sharvari
At all, yeah. Now after
Do you think-
seeing the film, you will realize why.
Yeah.
Why?
Because she's kept at the background of everything.
So was that supposed to be a reveal, probably for the audience?
No,
also?
no. They
So-
they
But
didn't.
which wasn't the case because she was in all the publicity.
Yeah, and the trailer then after that had her character. No?
So and उसके बाद आलिया is
teaser में she wasn't there. Trailer में she was there.
But then I'm thinking maybe because this movie must have gone through so many rewrites and reshoots, maybe initially the idea was that they'll keep the existence of Sharvari's character completely secret until you
No.
find out in
I
while
think no,
watching
she was
the-
always going to be involved with the whole thing.
I actually thought कि ये लोग like when they released the Alia teaser, I thought that they are doing character reveals.
Yeah,
कि
that's
वो
what I thought of. That would have
एक
made sense.
शर्वरी
at
का
least.
निकालेंगे, एक उसका
made
आलिया का
sense.
निकालेंगे,
Yeah.
अनिल का निकालेंगे, बॉबी का निकालेंगे, आलिया का निकाल के छोड़ दिया. बट एनीवे मुझे वो सीक्वेंस थोड़ा बैडएस लगा वेरी ऑनेस्टली, जब सेफ हाउस में मतलब जब ये अनिल कपूर बेसिकली फाइट कर रहा है आलिया और शर्वरी के साथ, एंड देन ही सेज कि तुम ऋतिक के पास चली जाओ उसमें सेफ हाउस में, मैं इन लोग को संभालता हूँ.
Bro, again, so they
And
do that.
उसमें भाई अनिल कपूर नीचे से, सो वो एक रॉ चीफ का घर है राइट, तो उसमें दिखाया गया दैट इट्स वेरी वेल इक्विप्ड कि वो एक बटन दबाता है तो वो ये खुल जाता है सीक्रेट, और ये वो नीचे से गन्स निकलती हैं वगैरह वगैरह.
Oh, by the way,
तो भाई वो सारे ना गन्स निकाल के निकलता है, और अभी तक पूरा पीछे स्टाइलिस्टिक म्यूजिक चल रहा है, और जैसे वो निकालता है अचानक पीछे से पंजाबी म्यूजिक स्टार्ट हो जाता है, एंड अनिल कपूर इज वॉकिंग इन स्लो मोशन,
No.
और पीछे मस्त पंजाबी ट्रैप म्यूजिक, एंड आई एम लाइक ब्रो दिस इज व्हाट
so-
वी हियर फॉर.
dude, so just so many small dumb things also. Okay, like for
डम
instance,
थिंग्स तो बहुत सारी है, स्मॉल
Yeah,
स्मॉल
yeah.
गुड थिंग्स.
small dumb things. Like even like small things were dumb. Is what I'm
हाँ,
saying.
हाँ.
For instance, like the Hrithik sequence. Okay, there's like a whole action sequence. Okay,
Wasted.
where like he throws something like what do you call, like those ninja knives, like a kunai or something. He throws that up into the like a thing, and then like a thing twists, like the
हाँ, वो
part of the ceiling
गार्गोइल टाइप
twists,
जो है वो ऐसा वो
it
अंदर
twists
से
inside out, and 2 guns fall. But the entire time Hrithik has been wearing gun holsters. I'm like, why wasn't the gun there to begin with?
अरे उस टाइम क्योंकि वो मंक है ना भाई,
Oh,
अपना कबीर पर सोना नहीं है ना उसके पास
Oh
अभी.
my god, dude. Oh,
अरे
so मतलब guns
यार.
are allowed inside.
but
but
not
not
accessible.
not accessible,
Not
yeah.
accessible, yeah.
Let's keep
वो
them at
अपने
arm's
से
length.
दूर अपने से दूर रख रहा है ताकि वो
Yeah,
टेम्प्ट
other
ना हो
weapons,
जाए.
other
we-
projectile weapons are fine.
Yeah.
If required, I may need it. But
Yeah.
I don't want them on
Of
me.
course, yeah.
Another like other
There
small
you find fault in Hrithik's cameo.
So-
भाई एक चीज जो बहुत फनी थी, सॉरी, इज लाइक कि ये दोनों अल्फा सीरम अल्फा सुपर सोल्जर्स हैं, फिर भी ऋतिक इनसे बेटर कैसे है?
correct that
क्योंकि
also
वो आदमी है.
again. So these both are sisters. They just find out they're sisters.
Yeah.
Okay. And Sharvari is already smitten. You know, this is my best sister, whatever. Okay. And Alia's like keeping her at arm's distance. Okay. You've lived like a better life, so I'll despise you in the beginning and whatever. Okay. Dude, they just left Anil Kapoor's character behind. Okay. Because Anil Kapoor was like, I'll take care of these baddies who are these minions who are like coming
Trying
into the
to
house,
kill, yeah.
trying to kill the house. And you guys go and find out this Kabir dude. Okay, find this Kabir dude. Okay, so at no point these guys are going like merrymaking. There's a whole song and all. These guys are fucking doing campfires, going trekking. They're jumping into fucking waterfalls and all.
जॉर्डन्स और नाइकी डंक्स पहन के
Yeah,
ट्रैकिंग कर
trekking
रहे हो
कर
भाई,
रहे हैं.
पहाड़
Yeah,
वहाड़
full,
चढ़ रहे हो
full, full on.
एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड उनके जूते एक्सचेंज हो जाते हैं.
Is that what happens? Is that what happened? I don't even notice that.
बहने यार, come on.
ब्रो, जो जूता पहन के शर्वरी निकलती है, उस जूते में आलिया पहाड़ पे चढ़ रही है और अगले सीन में वो जूता वापस शर्वरी के पैर में. एंड बिकॉज आई फॉलो स्नीकर्स दैट मच, आई एम लाइक, अरे ये एयर जॉर्डन 1, अब हम ये नाइकी डंक अचानक.
So these guys are going climbing all that stuff to reach Hrithik. Okay, they've just left their father behind, as I said. Not once are they like, okay, let's follow up. Is Anil Kapoor alive? Did that dad survive?
How will they
None of
follow
that.
up?
क्या?
How will they follow up?
कुछ कॉल वॉल कुछ तो कर लो यार.
अरे बट दैट्स द पॉइंट, नो, कि वो उसको
They
कॉल
won't get
करके,
tracked.
ऑफ कोर्स, या,
Bro,
एंड दे स्टिल गेट
so
ट्रैक्ड.
many things. And they still get tracked. What is the point of anything?
उनके
Dude,
पहुंचने
then-
से पहले तो उसके निंजा पहुंच जाते हैं.
Yeah, हथौड़ी.
the entire movie, okay, like whatever, like in the first whatever, like the first half of the movie, all they do is Alia goes to kill Anil Kapoor. She finds out, Sharbari tells her, hey, we are sisters. Okay, no emotion in any of that.
Yeah.
Nobody, you don't feel a thing that, oh, what you think would imagine, oh wow, shit, oh, I didn't know, this was my life, this is crazy. This is like just blatantly put out there. You're supposed to just believe it, move on. Anil Kapoor says, comes from behind, says, hey, I'm your dad. Okay, again,
Papa,
no
bol,
emotion,
papa.
no emotion to any of this. Oh man, I was just so pissed. Like, why are you revealing it so blatantly? So just not even bothering to explore the emotion of the whole thing. This could have been spread way more. That could have been the central conflict of the
भाई
movie.
मैं तो जेन्युइनली चाहता था कि इसमें इमोशनल एंगल आए ही ना. चुपचाप मुझे एक सुपर सोल्जर का बैटल दिखाओ ना
नहीं, पर कुछ तो इमोशन चाहिए ना
यार.
यार.
एंड में दिखाओ ना, वो जब बिग रिवील कर रहे हो कि अरे मेरी बेटी यही
हाँ,
थी,
that's what I was
वो
saying.
दिखा दो.
Dude,
कोई
wait
जबरदस्ती
for that
पाकिस्तानी
at the
एंगल
end.
डालने की जरूरत नहीं थी इसके अंदर.
Like the audience can know,
Yeah.
okay, that they're father daughter, but let the character find out much later in the movie or something. Don't just reveal it immediately the second the movie starts. Don't just, if you're building any suspense, let the suspense build. Why are you like immediately killing it? So the rest of the movie has no suspense left anymore.
नहीं, वो criticism था ना बहुत कि इसमें इन फिल्मों में इंडियन और
इंडिया पाकिस्तानी का, वो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. I think that's why
विलन दिखाना.
Yeah, I think that's why they did it. It made zero sense. And
Yeah.
मुझे लग रहा है वो ट्विस्ट से, as we said, इंडियन आर्मी ज्यादा डम दिखाया रहा है कि तुम 20 साल से एक बंदा तुम्हारे यहाँ कर्नल बन गया और तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चला. That's actually a little.
तो क्या हुआ, हमजा वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान जाके इतने
तो हम
साल
तो स्मार्ट है ना भाई. एक सेकंड यहीं से बाहर फेंक दूंगा.
Anyway,
So RIP YRF Spywars.
Bro,
100%.
for
100%.
now at least.
100%.
No Pathan type
No
crossover.
Pathan. See, not
Pathan 2?
at all, dude. Not
Pathan
at all.
2 भी नहीं.
नहीं
Thank
बनेगी.
God for that.
नहीं बनेगी.
अरे
सी अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ, अल्फा के बाद इनको पूरी तरीके से ओवरहॉल करना पड़ेगा भाई. आई डोंट थिंक, सी व्हाई पठान वर्कड, बिकॉज शाहरुख, दैट्स इट.
Yeah.
They were like looking, हम लोग भी
So
बहुत
that's what
गंगो
I'm
हो गए थे.
thinking. Pathan essentially killed 2 franchises, Tiger and War.
Yeah.
Shahrukh was
And
so
one
good.
universe.
Yeah.
इससे बड़ा assassin क्या होगा?
The universe though was forcibly tied together for Pathan.
I agree.
Until then there was no this grand plan.
इसके अंदर भी देखो, एंड में उन्होंने वो दिया तो है, लिंक तो दिया है, क्या मैं तुम्हें जॉब ऑफर
Click
करता
करो.
हूँ. मैं तुम्हें जॉब ऑफर करता हूँ.
ऋतिक.
क्या जॉब?
हाँ.
ये अनिल
कपूर,
मैं
हाँ.
तुम्हें जॉब ऑफर करता हूँ. क्या जॉब? मेरी टीम का पार्ट बनो एंड हैव द बेस्ट बॉस इन द वर्ल्ड, इंडिया. लाइक कौन सी टीम? लाइक टाइगर, कबीर, पठान,
Okay.
तुम
This
दोनों.
guy is not in the movie.
Junior NTR, no.
नहीं नहीं.
Karan Luthra died.
अरे
Karan Luthra?
आशुतोष.
आशुतोष.
He died, no.
Yeah,
He died or
He died in
Of
War
course,
II.
in
I
War
don't even
II.
remember.
War 2 में ऋतिक ही तो मारता है उसको ऐसा पॉइंट ब्लैंक, तभी तो अनिल आता है.
correct.
आशुतोष राणा वुड आल्सो बी लाइक, भाई तुम घटिया कर रहे हो, आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म एनीमोर, आई एम आउट. कट लिया टाइम पे. बढ़िया.
Sad, yeah.
Anyway, dude, end of-
लाइक
yeah, let's
OTT
stop
पे
this.
देख लेना अल्फा अगर देखनी हो तो.
वो भी
पठान
बैकग्राउंड
टू
वॉच.
बनाएंगे यार. पठान टू बनाएंगे.
वो तो पठान 2 तो पक्का ही बनाएंगे.
नहीं,
Or if anything is being made, पठान 2 is the one.
आई थिंक ये लोग एक नया एजेंट लॉन्च करेंगे, थोड़ा रणबीर कपूर रणवीर सिंह जोन में, एंड उस एजेंट के अराउंड फिर दोबारा बिल्ड करेंगे, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक एनी ऑफ द पठान, टाइगर और ऋतिक का कबीर वुड वर्क एनी मोर.
Dude, the thing is, like, as an actor, usually I like
What?
Alia. No.
What did you say?
Not me as an actor. As an actor, Alia.
अच्छा.
Relax, guys. What is
You were like, as an actor, don't rate Alia
yeah,
very
of course.
highly.
Like, Alia needs to do better.
Also, I've done acting work. I am
Yeah, of
technically an
course.
actor.
Of
And
course,
you're
of
friends
course.
with Rajiv Masand also.
The best guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are
But
you as an actor? What?
yeah, Alia, like, I quite enjoy her acting usually. But this one was like just rough.
Like this was
All
very
around.
key. So she had to
As an
portray.
actor, she was better than Jigra. As an actor, she was better than Jigra.
Huh?
Okay.
As an actor, she was better than Jigra.
अच्छा, she was better in Jigra
Yeah.
than Alpha.
Than
हाँ,
Alpha.
फिर ठीक है.
Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah.
हाँ.
Anyway, that's enough, man. Don't. I would say there's no need to watch the movie. Watch it in the background when it's out on OTT at
हाँ.
most. Don't waste your money and shit.
मतलब हाँ, same. I don't think cinema hall वाला तो film नहीं ही है.
Yeah.
But like हाँ, chillish watch है.
Chill watch, eh?
Chilish.
हाँ, मतलब लगा के रखो बैकग्राउंड में, कोई दिक्कत नहीं,
यार
अपना
chill
काम
watch
वाम करो.
chill watch तो हम जो अब बात करेंगे वो है भाई.
सतलुज.
प्रीतम एंड पेड्रो. सचमुच चिल watch है भाई. क्या बात कर रहे
Exact
हो?
opposite of
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
chill.
That was the joke, guys.
Yeah. Pritham Pedro, I really enjoyed it. I know Abbas wasn't a big fan.
It was very average. I thought it was very.
But enjoyable average, no?
कुछ parts है, कुछ lines.
अब्बास अभी बताएगा
funny है.
कितनी बार हंसा वो, गिन के बैठा है.
हाँ.
क्या? Was it 4
कितने-
times?
6 episode थे ना I think.
Yeah. 6 बार था.
3 या 4 बार हंसा मैं.
Wow.
All times because of Arshad Varsi.
And
So Pritam और Pedro का basically plot ये है कि there's a cop called Pedro, which is Arshad
Arshad.
Varsi, and Veer Hirani, right?
Veer Hirani.
Veer Hirani is playing
Raju
this
Rani's son.
tech whiz cyber guy who
Sells vacuums.
sells
for
vacuums, but his
whatever.
actual talent is that he's a hacker basically.
Yeah,
He
ethical
plays Pritam. Or the story is set in Goa, and इन दो characters के path meet because
Yeah,
there is a
kidnapping happens.
हाँ, एक मिनिस्टर का बेटा जो है वो किडनैप हो जाता है, और ये बेसिकली उस केस को सॉल्व करते हैं, through which we find that Veer Hirani's character also has some past because of
Dude,
which.
firstly, through which we find out that, dude, your phone can be tracked everywhere,
That
whatever
was
you do.
common knowledge.
No,
Yeah,
correct, that's
आपको
common
show
knowledge.
देख के पता चला आपको.
नहीं, वो नहीं. But
ये
like
सुन
these,
रहे हैं अभी
like
आप जो भी
certain
बोल रहे
small things, like there's a scene, okay, where so that's basically the plot. But there's a scene where a cop is walking outside the door of where is supposedly Vikram Masi's character is supposed to be, the villain's character is supposed to be, and is singing loudly so that the
Yeah.
phone can catch that shit.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, these things also are probably
फोन
Very
कैन कैच
possible.
दैट शिट भाई, वो कॉल पे था. अगर मैं यहाँ पे कॉल
Oh,
पे
yeah,
हो रहा
that's
बाहर
true.
से चिल्ला
Oh,
रहे
yeah, that's true. That's
इसमें
true.
टेक नहीं
That's
है
true, that's
कहीं
true,
पे.
that's
ये
true.
लैंडलाइन में भी होता था.
So that was one
That's
of
true.
my
Right.
complaints about the show कि tech जो है ना वो as per the
Simplistic.
plot it can become extremely
God.
extremely high concept, और कुछ scenes में तो अरशद वारसी को इतना डम बताया कि उसको Google Maps कैसे चलता है वो भी नहीं
उसको
समझ में
typing
आ
नहीं
रहा है.
आता है, तो Google
उसको
Maps भी आता
typing
है.
नहीं आती है, हाँ, which is
But it's not
Bro, but
unbelievable.
he's not
It's
playing
not
a
unbelievable,
60-year-old. He's playing like
भाई,
whatever, a 40-42 year
भाई,
old.
some people
भाई,
are
ना
removed
bro,
by that,
भाई,
यार तू किसी भी 40-45 साल वाले को जाके बोल दे ईमेल आया, वो ये नहीं पूछेगा कि एनवलप कहाँ है.
भाई वो ईमेल नहीं बोलता, वो मेल बोलता है फर्स्टली.
हाँ.
सेकेंडली भाई आई हैव सीन माय लाइक पेरेंट्स डू दिस.
Parents, yes, because their generation. their
भाई
50s
माय
and
पेरेंट्स आर 45-50.
60s.
Like they actually don't know this. But this is again that's what I'm saying. हो सकता है बहुत छोटा sect है, but बहुत unbelievable sect नहीं है ये. Like my mom quite literally, if you ask her to switch on a computer right now, she won't be able to do that.
And my mom is terrible at that. She's like she
Yeah,
tries
so
like,
are my parents. My parents are also not really great with technology. None of our parents are.
Yeah.
But I just thought Arshad Varsi's character is not that. He's a cop for God's sake. Like cops को
But bro, he was-
basic G maps कैसे चलते हैं यार वो तो पता ही है.
Gmap आता है उसको वो नहीं आता. Sim track करना नहीं आता.
bro, also they explain it through the plot where he's saying, "Okay, dude, I'm good at the crime aspect."
Yeah, I get
I'm
that.
not good at the cyber aspect at all, and that's fair.
That's supposed to be. I'm not questioning the concept ke someone who is good on ground and someone who is good as a cyber criminal, cyber mystery solver coming together. That's fine. Anyway, मैं क्या बोल रहा था कि हाँ, and my one thing is like as much as I like Arshad Varsi, I feel like he's doing the same circuit thing in most roles nowadays.
I actually didn't see circuit in
Bro,
this.
I quite liked him in this.
अरे वो तेरी दादी को नहीं बोलेगा तो क्या आएगा? Like that's just circuit line delivery, bro.
Circuit was
That's
never this
Arshad
loud,
line
bro.
delivery
That's
for sure.
Arshad out
Dude,
and
also
out.
like there are certain
That's why I
things.
get it.
Okay,
मतलब वो अरशद का इमेज और ये कैरेक्टर का जो इमेज है it's blurring somewhere.
Bro, that's probably because he hasn't done any other iconic character of sorts.
No, but like he's in a
but
film like Seher, okay. Even in क्या बोलते हैं Bads of Bollywood में even though he was playing a भाई he was not like this. So he has range, but मेरे को लगता है पता नहीं हिरानी के direction में कि क्या writing
maybe
में.
हो सकता है. What I would say is that I didn't quite mind Arshad's acting. I quite
And-
liked it.
okay.
Because
वो
also
वाला-
like the
हाँ.
small things like
He's
like
good.
certain cop like things that he was doing that I really enjoyed. Like in the beginning of the movie, okay, like he has just
Movie नहीं series.
so not the series in the beginning of the series he has just arrested this guy who had these thugs who had like robbed an ATM.
Yeah.
Okay, and like he calls the main guy who was about to get married, that dude. He calls him and makes him sit. And he's like, "Tu janta hai कि what is something about like what is the best thing about whatever like thieves कि तू है तो मैं हूँ." Okay, those kind of things like I've heard cops say that shit.
Yeah.
So I really
कुछ जगह
like a
उसके-
little like in the little things that behavioral things that he did.
Some of his dialogue is very funny where at one point he's asked to get a fuchsia pink phone in like
Chutia
color
pink.
का chutia pink. That's funny. And my last thing is the central mystery
One
जो
thing
है,
that he found funny was the abuse
हाँ.
in the entire. Like,
Dude,
"Hey,
also-
चूतिया वाला वो."
Also the whole AI generated photos reveal at the end.
हाँ वो भी funny था.
That was funny.
That was
वो
funny.
actually credits में दिखा देते हैं जो दो सरप्राइज वो है. If they would have not shown it, in
Correct,
the
you're
credit,
right.
would have been
You're
भाई
right.
मस्त चुपचाप skip intro करने का. ठीक है.
Don't you
मिलेगा
always-
ही नहीं देखने
but
को.
don't you guys watch the intro once in the beginning?
I do,
पहले
yeah,
पहले
yeah,
एपिसोड में
yeah,
हाँ
yeah.
पहले एपिसोड.
Always.
Also, the central mystery that they have shown, they've tried to show the blue whale challenge जो काफी वायरल हुआ था
In 2016,
कुछ सालों
I
पहले.
quite
a
like that.
decade back.
I thought it
Okay,
was
हाँ, I'm not like dislike. It's a little out of touch. It was viral quite some time.
That's
back.
Like
true.
not a lot of people would actually instantly go back to कि ओ ब्लू व्हेल आया था.
हाँ. So
हमें पता है हमारी पिछली
Yeah.
जो नीचे वाली जनरेशन है शायद उसको
they
ना
just
पता
wanted
हो.
to create a sense of urgency.
the
or whatever. That's
conceit
fine.
of that challenge is the like you eventually have to
Take your own life.
Yeah. So that is a very serious thing, I think. And this shows by the time it comes to the last few episodes, I think it treats that aspect of it very lightly. तो वो मेरे को एक चीज लगी कि ठीक है अब तुम उसको ऐसा प्लॉट डिवाइस यूज कर रहे हो but
But it was the plot device. Right?
yeah, so but then using that thing, it's a very serious thing. Like you wouldn't, if you use assault as just a plot device for revenge, then it lessens the severity of that thing. मेरे को ऐसा लगा थोड़ा कि वो जितना severely उसको treat करना चाहिए
I don't know.
उतना
So
नहीं
for
किया.
the series, right? I
Yeah.
don't think the serious aspects they were treating it
Seriously,
kind of seriously only.
The thing is,
No, there was humor in the middle aspects
the
of it.
Vikrant Messi playing the
Main hacker, yeah.
the main hacker. Actual में वो उसका जो पर्सनल एजेंडा है वो तो अपने को चौथे एपिसोड में जाके
हाँ,
पता चलता है.
हाँ.
उससे पहले तो ही इज एक्चुअली जस्ट एक्टिंग एज कि अरे तूने मेरे को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे पैसे दिए तो मैं तेरे लिए ये करवा रहा हूँ.
He
I
was
think
actually I feel like he seemed more deadly when it was that.
I
When it
felt
was
like
revealed that he's connected to the hero.
Emotional angle जुड़ गया ना.
Yeah. Then it
Emotional
becomes a
angle
little
जुड़
less threatening.
I felt like
for me.
his role was cut a lot on the editing room. I don't
Could
know. I
well
felt
be.
like that.
Could well be.
Because
Could
हाँ,
well be.
उस
But
caliber का actor को बहुत कम screen
Fair
time
enough. What do you guys think of Veer Hirani?
Not a big fan. Again, he has a very urban
thought he
Juhu Bandra accent.
Yeah, but I thought he was
while
charming,
talking.
charming enough. I think he was
Very,
nice.
very one note, very.
And
very
you also thought he sounded a lot like Imran Khan.
Yeah.
And I thought he
So I speak like this.
yeah, like, correct. He talked like that, but I think he was like I also looked a lot like Samdesh Bhatia. So he's like a mix between Samdesh Bhatia
A
from
well-groomed
Unfiltered,
Samdesh Bhatia.
yeah, and Imran Khan का mix kind of.
समदेश को ही ले लेते यार. लेकिन फिर वो
अरे सच बताओ सच क्या बात कर रहे हो आपने बताया कैसे नहीं मुझे सही बोलो
नहीं नहीं मानता
नहीं
बहुत दिखते हो.
कभी नहीं सोचा आपने अरे ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता यार नहीं कौन सी दारू पीते हो बता पहली वाली कहाँ पीती कभी कभी गर्लफ्रेंड को कर देते हो मैसेज शादी हो गई है पता है मुझे
So yeah, I know. Like so, Mona Singh is also in the show.
Barely.
Barely. Like first two
scene,
episodes.
second scene.
Yeah.
First scene, second scene,
and
last scene, second
scene.
last
She's
scene.
doing that very Bollywood Goan thing. वो तुम ऐसा
क्या
करेगा ना
करता
तो मैं
है?
तुम्हारे को
मैं
बोल
निकल
देगी.
जाएंगी. मैं निकल जाएंगी. Dude, I was expecting that the whole series will have a lot of men.
Yeah.
None of that. They didn't do that once, by the way. They didn't use the men.
Wow.
Like
What
wow,
men?
men.
Where you going,
What
men?
men? What are you doing?
Acha,
men?
oh, men.
The
That's
Goan
That's
thing.
a Bandra thing.
No,
more
that's a
than
Goan
Goan.
thing, bro.
Is it?
Way more than a Goan thing.
Men, manly men, manly men.
Men, men.
तीन मर्द बैठ के 2.5 Men का गाना गा
If
रहे
this
हैं.
show was called Pritam Pedro and Praveen.
Charlie.
Something.
This
I
show
don't
could have been called Toda Man, actually. If you think about it.
Who's the half man?
The kid who's there throughout
In this show?
in the
Oh,
politicians
मेरे को लगा-
kid.
जिसको ढूंढ रहे हैं
मेरे को लगा पॉप कॉन्वर्सेशन की बात कर
Oh,
रहा है.
no.
अच्छा,
Oh, no. Toda Pritam Man.
He's like, आधा मर्द
हाँ,
कौन है
देखो, देखो, देखो।
किसको बोल रहा है
Abbas, you, of course, man.
Fuck off.
Of course, man.
So हाँ, तुम लोगों को क्यों अच्छा लगा? चलो अच्छा ये बताओ.
I think it was like a
Again,
nice,
it's a
just
very,
light,
very light,
enjoyable
easy
watch.
It is
show,
half an
yeah.
hour, 6
Bro,
episodes.
it's
so
again
like-
very Raju Irani quoted. The entire fucking
It is,
thing
yeah.
is very Raju Irani quoted. Even the fucking background of this guy, Vikrant Massey, which is supposed to be so scary, that was also a fucking
Mouth
trumpet,
organ,
mouth organ, whatever. I'm like, अरे भाई संजू से निकलो थोड़ा,
Dude, like,
निकलो.
I feel that it was a very casual, easy watch.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay,
Bro, that's what I'm
something
saying.
you can get done in like one sitting. That
I
I
agree,
watched
I
in like
agree.
1.5
And
seconds.
Same.
Easy Watch had a central conceit which was about people taking their own lives.
But dude, why are you so surprised?
Because
by that
it's such a
aspect of it?
severe thing to talk about.
Dude, it's severe maybe for you. You know what I mean?
What the fuck?
No, in the sense,
Okay, Andre.
I feel it is for this kind of a show. It was a decent enough. What do you call
So I
conflict to
don't think
undergo.
so very honestly what I think जो आप कह रहे हो कि they wanted to have this one incident that binds everyone and it is serious enough and they chose that. So like Arshad Varsi also has gone through that. The villain has also gone through that and there is this third person जिसकी वजह से is also connected, right? And now all of them have this one thing to prevent because another life can be taken due to that. I think that being the
Yeah.
central plot still makes sense to me. And like this is where I disagree कि उसको plot device की तरह ना use करके I think उसको एक threat की तरह use किया गया कि ये चीज होने से बचानी है. And that's why in the end also when like they are eventually trying to like shoot Vikrant when they actually find him like catch him he's still like he's like कि नहीं इसको जिंदा छोड़ो.
Martin, his name is
Martin, like इसको मतलब as in like don't kill him. So I think that's what they are trying to pretend. Yeah, pretend. Sorry, like that's what they are trying to prevent. कि भाई we know what the loss of life feels like. So you probably should not.
It's better than Donkey, I'll say that.
Yeah, yeah.
100%. 100%. Did you see Shah Rukh in the show to ruin it? Of course not.
I would say it's worth a watch if you would like. It's a nice,
मतलब,
chill,
हाँ.
easy watch and an easy afternoon watch and all. You can just
Not
get
the
by.
best of Irani though, for sure.
I mean, but
अरे,
those
मेरे-
days are behind us, bro.
I
That's
just
it.
feel we've talked about this before also. His work is only getting worse as he
So
goes along.
this is a
But
slight,
this was better
slight
than
update.
This was
Donkey.
slight better
up,
than
better than
Donkey,
Donkey.
yeah.
Okay, anyway, so that's Pritam Pedro. I would say watch it. You would say
Give it watch the first 2 episodes. If you like it, then you can watch the rest.
Would you agree?
हाँ watch it भाई, ये कुछ भी बोलता है देखो.
ये तो कुछ लोगों को पसंद नहीं आती.
If you're an Arshad Varsi fan, you can watch it.
He is the centerpiece of the show.
Yeah.
Sure.
But it's made to launch Veer Irani.
Veer, of course.
And I would say in that regard, decent enough.
They've done a decent
And he
job,
also did a decent enough job.
Like considering the debuts that we have been getting
100%.
in the past, the bar is anyway like closed at this point.
Yeah. Anyway, moving to the last part of the discussion of the.
Yes.
Actually, no, we have 2 more things to discuss. I'm so sorry.
What are you saying? What's the second thing?
Before we get to the more serious discussion about censorship and why platforms feel it's okay to just
Take films away.
Take films away within days of them being put on the platform. But anyway, before that, we're going to talk about the fucking Rajkumar Hirani, Saurav Ganguly, Rajkumar Rao, and Saurav Ganguly poster that has come out.
Anil Deol, Rajkumar Hirani.
ऐसा है, अंतरिक्ष के पास ChatGPT का प्रीमियम वर्जन है, वो भिजवा देते हैं मोटवाने की टीम को ताकि वो अच्छे से AI जनरेट कर पाए पोस्टर, तो बेहतर रहेगा.
Definitely AI generated, right? We're not idiots, right?
तो AI को prompt दो ना, make Rajkumar Rao look like Saurav
Make it
Ganguly.
realistic. AI prompt.
अब्बास ने वो लिंक भेजा, ठीक है. अब so the thing is कि अब्बास जब आपने वो लिंक भेजा ना, तो मैं उसको लिंक को ओपन करने का ट्राई किया, बट वो मुझे मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे मेरे फीड पे लेके जा रहा था, लाइक इट वाज नॉट ओपनिंग टू द पोस्टर. और आपने लिखा था उस मैसेज पे कि भाई वाज देयर नो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और मेकअप पर्सन ऑन द सेट. भाई विदाउट ओपनिंग द लिंक, जस्ट उस मैसेज से लाइक ये सौरभ गांगुली पोस्टर के बारे में बात कर रहा है, एंड देन ही रोट ही लुक्स नथिंग लाइक सौरभ. लाइक यस आई न्यू इट भाई. इतन और ऊपर से रिलीज ऐसे दादा के बर्थडे में किया है जैसे पता नहीं भाई क्या बना दी
भाई. ये तो दादा ने भी शेयर नहीं किया हुआ.
यार वही तो सैड पार्ट है.
I'll wait for the next collateral that shows.
नीचे लिख रहे थैंक्स बस.
Even Rajkumar Rao must be pissed with this poster, dude. And he should be.
I was like कि अप्रूव कैसे हो गया ये पोस्टर, dude?
Horrible. Yeah, doesn't he look
Sounds
like
like
at
one
all?
of those किसी को पता नहीं होगा बर्थडे होने वाला है, किसी एक को पता चला होगा.
अरे
बर्थडे लॉन्च कर दे.
But yeah, dude, like I think the worst way to launch the biopic of one person, which almost the entire country relates to.
Bro, this will be negative marketing.
Of course,
for
of
the
course.
movie. It's a movie, right? Not a series, right? Of course.
It's a movie, yeah.
It's a movie, yeah. It's not a movie.
The Saurav Ganguly story.
Why are you, dude?
विक्रमादित्य मोटवाने track record is very good, so I have high hopes from the
भाई
movie.
एक तो विक्रमादित्य मोटवाने की मुझे इंदिराज इमरजेंसी देखनी है भाई. कहीं दिखा दो मुझे वो पिक्चर. जब मैं गूगल करता हूँ, इफ यू वांट टू वॉच दिस यू विल हैव टू गो टू अरे फेस्टिवल ही बता दो. कौन से फेस्टिवल भाई? कहाँ नहीं ढूंढी भाई मैंने वो पिक्चर, कसम से.
ये मूवी पे नहीं है.
मूवी पे भी थी, मूवी पे भी अब नहीं है. नीचे लिखा हुआ आता है दिस पर्टिकुलर मूवी इज नॉट ऑन मूवी येट, बट देयर आर अदर गुड थिंग्स दैट यू कैन वॉच. अरे मेरे को जो देखना है, काहे नेटफ्लिक्स की तरह बिहेव कर रहा है.
Fair enough.
If there is a screening or something, I'll let you know.
भाई प्लीज भाई, मेरे को वो पिक्चर बहुत जोर से देखनी है.
But yeah,
Okay, finally then, coming
ऑल्सो
to...
अच्छा, बिफोर वी गेट टू सतलुज अगेन, आपने टॉक्सिक का वो देखा क्या, नया गाना तबाही?
नहीं.
भाई 4 मिनट 28 सेकंड का गाना है जिसमें भाई 4 मिनट मेकआउट ही चल रहा है भाई.
अच्छा,
अब बात कह रहे हैं एपिसोड रोको, अभी दिखाओ भाई. एंड आई एम लाइक आर दे, मतलब
So I haven't seen this song. I haven't seen the song, but again,
ladies and ladies के बाद
नहीं, मैंने जैमी का ट्वीट देखा, उसने लिखा कि this is the first piece of marketing from this movie that I find genuinely sexy. He didn't find it crass, so I don't know. Must be. तूने देखा?
भाई मैंने गाना देखा है.
हाँ, तेरे को मेकआउट सेक्सी लगा.
मैं आपको सच बताऊं, पता है क्या है? 4.5 मिनट का गाना है.
To be able to comment on something, you have to have experience doing it. So what it is?
मैंने भाई 2 मिनट में बंद कर दिया. आप लोग भाई,
क्योंकि
ये बहुत
ऋतिक नहीं था ना, ऋतिक को
ऋतिक नहीं था. हाँ.
वो आंखें नहीं है तो कैसे?
काश रॉकी ऋतिक के साथ मेकअप कर रहा था.
Seems like मैं pause करो, मैं 2 मिनट वॉशरूम हो गया.
Why did you shut it off in 2 minutes?
भाई मेरे को थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा था भाई ये मैं ऐसे
Uncomfortable.
अनकंफर्टेबल सा फील हो रहा था.
या अकेले में भी तू शर्मा जाता है क्या?
नहीं मैं यहाँ देख रहा था जब आप कैमरा सेट कर रहे थे.
Now I'm curious. What's the name of the song?
तबाही.
दो भाई दोनों तबाही. जब तक बात करो तुम लोग
मैं जब तक गाना म्यूट में देखूं.
But regardless, I've lost any hope. I think all the marketing around Toxic has not been going well.
yeah.
Not been landed.
अब
I
मुझे
don't
ऐसा
think
लग
there's
रहा है
much
मुझे
hope
ऐसा लग रहा है
for
they
the movie.
have like doubled down on the promotional elements.
Okay then.
बोलो.
The promotional elements to be so.
Oh, Abbas is watching on mute, so you know what he's watching on.
I am saving this video from copyright strikes.
So
there.
what happens is अंतरिक्ष भी देख रहा है. He's like तेरी माँ की अब तू
I don't want to, but just keep it away from me. I don't want to
Lighting and
I don't wanna
everything is
indulge
good,
right now.
man.
लाइटिंग देख
Nice,
रहा है.
nice Abbas.
Lighting
This
देख
looks
रहा है.
like a Axe Duo commercial.
वो उसकी गर्दन से अपना मुंह नहीं हटा रहा है. आप कह रहे हो लाइटिंग
इतनी
बढ़िया है.
अच्छी
Hey,
सुगंध आ
Kiara
रही है.
with angel wings.
Oh, beach and all.
Angel Priya. Okay.
Hey,
Anyway.
this looks good, yeah.
He's being sarcastic, guys. Relax.
No, I'm not being sarcastic.
भाई वो एक्स डियो का ऐड लग रहा है.
हाँ, but that's the whole. मेरा पूरा theory यही है पिक्चर का. that It's going to be one large satire on.
मुझे भी यही लग रहा है.
हाँ.
मुझे भी यही लग रहा है. बट देन अगेन जब हम राइटिंग क्रेडिट में यश का नाम देखते हैं तो मुझे ऐसा लगता
I
है कि
know.
भाई
By the way, dude, we didn't even talk about that Alpha was written by Uday Chopra.
what?
He's
You
one of
don't
the
know this?
co-writers.
Alpha is written by Uday Chopra. Story by Uday Chopra.
Bro.
So, what did we expect? क्या होने वाला था?
ये तो मुझे पता
प्यार
ही नहीं था.
impossible, impossible है यार. प्यार impossible, impossible.
भाई but the fact that they casted Uday Chopra with Priyanka Chopra
In Pyar Impossible.
in Pyar Impossible,
Yeah, and
very
then
fitting to the title.
They also cast Dinu Moria, and then we expect to believe that she's gonna leave Dinu Moria and go out with Uday Chopra. Are we crazy?
Of course. But anyway,
I recently watched a movie, a Telugu original movie
Oh, Blast.
called Blast. That is super fun. It's on Netflix. It's about a family, okay, who knows like martial arts, okay, and they somehow get involved in like this, basically like a superhero movie where the family is involved in like
Alpha?
fighting for justice. They're fighting for justice and for the rights of the common man.
Right.
Watch that. It's a much more. I mean, it's a very
Enjoyable.
enjoyable,
Yeah.
light, fun family watch. Even very very cool. So watch that, and you'll just like a reset after Satluj if you need something lighter. If you need, but it's a very good movie. Of course, very different vibes. I'm not saying one is better than the other, but I've seen Blast.
मैंने भी वो देखी Devil's Attorney, Devil's Advocate,
Oh, Keanu
Devil's
Reeves
Advocate.
and Al Pacino.
Al Pacino, Keanu Reeves.
Yeah.
Anyway,
मैं एक पिक्चर वो जिसके बारे में मैं 3 एपिसोड से बात करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लेकिन कभी
हाँ,
चांस नहीं
please,
मिलता.
बोलो.
Mollywood Times करके एक मलयालम
Oh,
पिक्चर
it's
है.
on Netflix.
अभी आई है Netflix
Hotstar
पे.
पे
Yeah,
आ गई है. It's a
Hotstar,
film
Hotstar
about
पे.
a young guy who wants to become a film director. Very good film. It doesn't shy away from the hardships of making a movie, but it's also a very sort of fun and very like it tells you the hardships and the fun of making movies and being in the movies. So वो भी देख लो.
Okay.
सब
Awesome,
देख
guys.
लो.
Mollywood Times, New Delhi Times, Blast, Devil's Advocate, सब देख डालो.
और
सतलुज.
पर सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट अल्फा जरूर देखना guys.
Alpha don't miss.
Alpha
Or
don't miss.
and
Must
that's all.
watch. 70 crores.
Also, let us know
4
what you
days.
thought of all these movies that we discussed on this
Yeah.
episode. Let us
पिछले
know, please,
2
in the
एपिसोड
comments.
से हम लोग बहुत पिक्चरें नहीं डिस्कस कर दे रहे 2
अच्छी
एपिसोड.
बात है.
यार अब हम थोड़ा ब्रेक वेक में करते हैं एपिसोड ऐसे ही होता है.
बहुत पिक्चरें भाई 6 पिक्चरें इन 2 एपिसोड्स.
मोस्टली अच्छी फिल्मों के बारे में बात की. पिछले बार कॉकटेल 2 और
Yeah.
पेट डी और ये सब के बारे में.
What
बात
else
की.
coming up by the way? Anything else?
धमाल 4.
Guys, so bad. It's gonna be so
You
bad.
were such an advocate for brain rot films in the previous episode.
But if it's good,
First
man,
day, first
Dhamal
show.
doesn't look good. Dhamal doesn't look good.
How do you know? You don't know.
But it doesn't look good. What am I to say, dude?
Bro, in all honesty, Welcome to the Jungle also didn't look great.
Dude, like after the Giss 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 song, I was like,
Sold,
I was
हाँ,
sold. I was
sold,
like, okay,
yeah.
this is looking like the
अभी
vibe that I want
अभी
to
इस
see.
फ्राइडे आ जाएगी धमाल 4. फिर उसके बाद हमें 2 फ्राइडे लगेंगे ओवरकम करने में.
उतने में धमाल 5 6 भी आ जाएगी.
उतने में लोग वेलकम 4 निकाल देंगे.
Yeah.
फिर इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे तो वो आ ही रही है 11 और
Oh, it's coming on
as
Independence Day.
per
Oh,
the
okay.
current release.
Okay.
Dude, and then there are some Hollywood films
फिर
releasing,
Toxic
like
आ रही है.
Spider-Man and all releasing, right?
Spider-Man आ रही है.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. So also like we've been promising that we're gonna do like a special comment reaction episode.
होगा.
So it's gonna
That could be next week.
that
actually.
could be next week because I don't think there'll be that much to talk about Dhamal.
हाँ तो हम आधे एपिसोड में धमाल के बारे में बात करेंगे, आधे एपिसोड में
और सिर्फ आधा करेंगे.
अच्छा चलो पूरा कर लेंगे. कोई बात नहीं, बता देंगे
Whatever
आपको.
we play by ear and we'll see. how
आधे
it
में
works.
ध आधे में माल.
Also यार मतलब अगर 5000
Shit on
सब्सक्राइब
my joke, bro.
अरे तो घटिया था ना लेकिन अगर यार 5000 सब्सक्राइबर हो गए इसका मतलब थोड़ी सब्सक्राइब करना बंद कर दोगे यार.
हाँ,
हाँ,
करोगे.
please subscribe
Please
guys.
यार.
What is this?
हमें नया ग्रेटिफिकेशन ढूंढ लेंगे हम लोग.
Dude, अब तो राजी मसन ने कह दिया तो करना
अब
पड़ेगा
तो
तुम्हें
हाँ,
यार.
मतलब
Of
प्लीज
course.
हाँ प्लीज.
Obvious.
तो
Next week अनुपमा चोपड़ा भी
And finally we'll have KRK on
Yeah.
the episode.
Yeah,
ब्रो
fair
केआरके
enough.
को तो बुला सकते हैं हम लोग एपिसोड पे.
बुलाते
व्हाई
हैं.
नॉट, लेट्स जस्ट रीच आउट टू हिम. नो
Bro, वो नहीं आने वाला. Have you ever seen him on any podcast ever?
अरे पर ट्राई हो सकता है ना किसने ट्राई ना किया हो.
Oh, nobody's tried to get KRK.
ऑफ कोर्स व्हाई वुड
वो
एनीवन ट्राई.
वो चूतिया वो दुबई में रहता है ब्रो.
अबे इधर लोखंड वाला में रहे.
क्या कर रहा है?
और क्या
वो
है
तो बोलता है मैं दुबई में
भाई मैं यूएसए से अभी लाइव स्ट्रीम पे हूँ. भाई क्या फर्क पड़ता है बोलने से.
Fair enough. Chalo guys, let us know if you want to see KRK on this podcast in the comments below also. And
Why do French?
some awesome videos.
KRK.
That was it? KRK. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, become a member. We have some great membership perks that even Raji Masan is a fan of, apparently.
Yes.
Anything else to plug, guys?
Not really. Just follow us on social media.
Check out That Filmy Game Show. Hopefully some more episodes coming out soon. See you.
बाय बाय.
Like,